Hi viewers, I hope you're doing well, and I'm here with a new video where we have concluded and finally here with a Claude Code free of Claude Opus 4.8. Here you can see here for Claude Opus by using the API usage billing. The API usage will be free for you, and it will give you the credits daily basis credits in your account, and you will use the Claude Code about $25 amount. Now we can discuss everything on it, how we can integrate and how we'll use in your system. And now you can see you can also change the model, and everything will be mentioned, and I will integrate everything. So now let's start to continue this video. Here is the platform where we will use and everything, every model of the Claude Opus will be available in this platform by using the API. This model will give you the free credits and $3. Now, first of all, you can sign up by using this one, and here is the continue with the GitHub. If you don't have GitHub account, then you can go to the GitHub account, and then here is the somewhere like this is the GitHub, and I don't have a GitHub account, that's why I will sign up it, and you can also sign up by using this account. I will choose. Now my account is logged in. GitHub account is login. Now you can click on it and continue with GitHub. It's authorize authenticator. Yes, click and here is now logged in. This account directly redirected to API token, where we will create the API. First of all, we can see here the wallet. The wallet is current balance is 0, and the proceed to be used is 0 because it's a new account, and the usage log is empty, and API key token is here. Yes, this is the dashboard. Now you can see that the account data is $125. Initially they provide you the $125. Also they will provide you the $25 daily in your account. You will be able to use your Opus Claude Code freely by using the limited or $25 are maximum, because you can see another thing is, if you can go to the official site of the Claude, Claude pricing. Claude will provide you the pricing, like see that the $17 for the individual. As a team you will see the another packages, $17 per month. Everyday productivity is here, and then everything is mentioned, but this platform will provide you $25 are maximum for the daily usage, and the current balance is $125. First of all, we can use the $125. Again, go to the wallet. You can see here now the current balance is $125. The usage log is empty, and click to the API token and create the API. API is yes, Claude for Claude Opus 4.8 or 4.7, or which one you want, and quota, unlimited quota should be, and I have enabled. Now these are the models enabled to use, and I can select the 4.8 Opus and then submit this one. Here is submitted area, and I have submitted, and the API is now created. I will copy the API, but some documentation and some settings are remaining in the Claude Code. First of all, you can see you can install the Claude Opus and Node.js for opening something like working on the Claude, but I can suggest you can first install the VS Code. If you don't have, then you can write the VS Code and click to the first link. After that, you will be able to download this VS Code. After downloading and installing, we will go to the Claude AI. install command, and just after that we will click to the first link, and in the bottom here is the all settings to install the Claude Code, and here is native installation recommended. And now if you want to use the homebrew or winget, then it's up to you. If you are using the Windows PowerShell, then you can run this command. I will use the Mac OS, and that's why just copy this command and then go to the terminal. I have already opened the terminal. I can just close it, and then here you can just copy this command and enter the Claude Opus Claude Code will be installed in your system. I have already, that's why I will not install again. So after installing we can go to the official site. Here is the documentation. Just click here and then select English. Basically it's a Chinese platform, that's why it's showing the Chinese language, and I have converted here. Just click to start using, and now redirect you to the documentation. The step-by-step guide is here. Node version is here, like you need the Node.js compulsory, so for that write Node.js, and then here is the first link, and just click and install the Node.js according to your operating system. Here is just click to download and install your Node.js. After installation, copy this command and run into a terminal if you want to install by the terminal, but I have already guided you how you can install the Claude Code. You don't need to use this step. I have already skipped this step 2, and then go to the check installation results. Claude version, I will also check the version, and then here is the 2.1.205 Claude Code version, and now the configuration environments are here. We will add the configuration environment. Now I have added, but I can open the settings.json file in the Claude Code. For that we can go to the Claude settings folder. Just go to the Claude folder. Here is the Claude folder. Open in the VS Code. If you have installed the VS Code, then this command will be work, and here is everything is opened. The settings are here, like environment variables. These are the Anthropic auth token, and I have added the Anthropic auth token. Auth token is just I have installed the API key, and just copy the API key and paste here. I can paste here, and after that the second step is the base URL. Copy this URL and paste in the Anthropic base URL. I have already copied, and that's why I don't need, and just leave it empty. The Anthropic API key, and the Anthropic model will be Claude Opus 4.8, which is mentioned in the documentation. Here is the 4.6, but I will use the 4.8 because when I created the API, and I decided to use the 4.8 model. That's why everything is now set it up, and you just go to your terminal and then run the Claude command, Claude, and then the Claude Opus Claude Code will be run. Yes, here Claude Opus 4.8 is here. API billing usage is here. We can test this API and then usage. Here is 125 current balance. I can give the command, hi Claude, I want to build the full stack application. Yes, it's recalculating. It means the Claude Code is working. And hi, I did love to help you build a full stack application, but the full stack app covers like SaaS dashboards, social content, e-commerce or AI powered apps, and chat about this. It means it's working. Not for now. Yeah. not for now. Here you can see all of the stuff they're asking, but I don't want to run the application or build application. So we just need to check the usage of application. You go to the usage. Here is the Chrome, and then Claude Opus 4.8 we have used for these seconds, and the streams are here. And go to the dashboard. Yes, this amount is now deducted. $0.09 used by giving this command. So finally we have done this one, and now we can skip this step, and every step is mentioned, and every documentation and step-by-step guide I have provided you the every guide. Enjoy the Claude Code free, and the daily usage will be free as well. You can use and give me feedback in the comments. I will wait your feedback. So please share, subscribe, and like my video. I will be come back with another exciting video and another things like about AI and about full stack applications. Bye bye.